If you've ever wished for thicker, healthier hair, you are not alone. Hair loss is a struggle for many. But what if the secret to regrowth is hidden in a simple oil combination? Today, we're diving into a powerful all-natural remedy that Barbara O'Neill swears by, one that nourishes the scalp, revives hair follicles, and may even help restore your hair's natural color. We have also explored the beauty and longevity secrets of Hollywood icons and wellness gurus, revealing how they maintain youthful looks and vibrant health. Now, it's time to uncover one of the most surprising hair care secrets yet. Stay tuned, because this could change the way you care for your hair forever. The biggest mistake in choosing a shampoo. One of the biggest causes of hair loss or even worsening the condition is choosing the wrong shampoo. Let's start with a common mistake many people make: choosing the wrong shampoo. Barbara O'Neill warns that most commercial shampoos contain sodium lauryl sulfate, a harsh chemical that creates foam but also damages hair follicles. This can lead to hair thinning and even hair loss over time. So, what's the solution? Look for a shampoo that is free from sodium lauryl sulfate. Barbara recommends taking a magnifying glass to the store if you need to, because those ingredient lists can be tricky to read. One great option? Coconut-based shampoos. Coconut is highly nourishing for the scalp and helps protect your hair's natural strength. But wait, did you know that coconut oil itself can do wonders for your hair? Let's talk about how. The best oil for hair growth. Barbara O'Neill swears by coconut oil as one of the best ways to deeply nourish your scalp and strengthen hair growth. Her secret? A monthly coconut oil treatment. Here's how you can do it. First, take a small amount of pure organic coconut oil and warm it slightly. Then, massage it into your scalp, making sure to coat your roots. After that, pull the oil through the lengths of your hair and twist it into a bun. Last step. Leave it in for the entire day before washing it out at night. Barbara says this simple practice can nourish the scalp, restore moisture, and strengthen hair strands from the inside out. Her secret just contains 4 easy steps, so you can totally try it. But what if you want something even more powerful? That's where her ultimate oil mix comes in. The secret 3 oil mix for hair growth. Barbara has revealed a special blend of 3 oils that work together to stimulate the scalp, boost hair growth, and even revive thinning areas. Here's the powerful formula. 1/2 cup of coconut oil, deeply nourishing, antibacterial, and antifungal. 1/2 cup of castor oil, a thick oil that penetrates deep into the scalp, revitalizing hair follicles. 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, one of the best natural ingredients for stimulating hair growth. This 3-oil combo is an absolute game-changer. The castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, bringing life back to weak follicles. Coconut oil hydrates and protects, while rosemary essential oil has been scientifically shown to stimulate new hair growth. How to use it? It's very easy. To start, mix everything together in a jar. Once a week, massage it into your scalp. Let it sit for a few hours, or overnight if possible, before shampooing it out. Barbara emphasizes that massaging the scalp during application is just as important as the oils themselves. It increases blood flow, bringing essential nutrients to the hair follicles. But hair care isn't just about what you put on your hair. It's also about what you do every day. Let's talk about 3 simple habits that can make a huge difference. If you really want to see hair growth, Barbara recommends focusing on 3 key lifestyle habits. Exercise regularly. Did you know that your scalp is considered an extremity of the body? That means good circulation is essential for hair growth. High-intensity workouts, even just a few times a week, increase blood flow to the scalp, delivering the nutrients your hair needs. Stay hydrated. Water is the foundation of healthy hair. A good rule of thumb is to drink 8 glasses of water per 100 pounds of body weight. If you don't drink enough water, your hair follicles become weak and brittle, leading to breakage and thinning. Get enough sleep. Healing and hair regrowth happen at night while you sleep. Barbara recommends at least 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night. If you struggle with sleep, slowly work your way up by going to bed 15 minutes earlier each night. These 3 habits alone can make a huge impact on the health of your hair. But what about nutrition? What should you eat to support hair growth? The best foods for hair growth. Barbara O'Neill stresses that strong, beautiful hair starts from within. Here are 3 essential foods to include in your diet. Green drinks. Hair thrives on minerals, and today's soil is much lower in minerals than it was decades ago. Drinking chlorophyll, green barley powder, or wheatgrass can help restore these vital nutrients. Healthy fats. Your hair needs good fats to stay strong. Include avocados, nuts, seeds, coconut oil, and olive oil in your diet. High-protein foods. Protein is the building block of strong, thick hair. Eat plenty of legumes, nuts, and seeds to support hair health. And here's something shocking. One food you should avoid at all costs. The #1 food that damages hair. Sugar. Barbara O'Neill warns that sugar is one of the worst things for your scalp. It feeds dandruff, weakens hair follicles, and disrupts the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients. Well, but the idea that sugar should be totally banned is not allowed because of its harmful effects on the body. But here's the good news. You don't have to give up sweetness. Natural alternatives like honey, maple syrup, and coconut sugar are much better choices. So, if you're struggling with thinning hair or hair loss, remember this: natural solutions do work. Start by avoiding harmful shampoos, nourishing your scalp with Barbara's 3 oil mix, and supporting your hair from the inside out with the right diet and daily habits. What do you think about Barbara's advice? Have you tried any of these methods before? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, our channel is full of amazing beauty and health secrets from celebrities and wellness experts. Check out our other videos to discover more life-changing tips. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. See you in the next video.